Sorry I'm late. IDBM Challenge, Instructional Episode 1. In this episode we'll teach you how to use scanning cards to shift your mindset from past and present to present and future. And to achieve that, we have a deck of cards for you. The next era scanning cards. So we have 2 instructional cards and 30 scanning cards. And I'm going to take you through now the whole process. How do you utilize these and for what purposes? So in the first phase, you lay down the cards face up on the table. So far so good. And it doesn't really matter in what order you put them. Just face up. Now, in the next phase, you'll work individually by thinking about implications this card might have in the future. So, for example, hometown tax. What does this mean in the future? So think of like societal implications. Does it create more revenue for urban areas or peripheries? How does it change things? And in the next phase, you'll go through these insights and implications within the team. So take turns in discussing all the sticky notes. And you don't have to attach sticky notes or implications on each of these cards. Just focus on those that you really find interesting. And when others are talking, you can still include, you can still attach sticky notes. Now, the next part is a bit tricky because you need to start forming groups. And groups in a sense that don't group them according to broader themes, like don't use like this is technology, this is society, this is culture. But instead think of like which ones actually play together nicely, which ones form a coherent future scenario. And once you have grouped, and you don't have to use all the cards here either, but we recommend narrowing down to 1 to 3 groups, and these will be your future scenarios. And you can decide then to refine these groups into actual scenarios, all of them or one. It's really up to you. And you can use all kinds of templates, scenario templates, or the ones we provide, or you can even dance it out, act it out, draw, whatever. Sky's the limit. And this whole process will take anything between 60 minutes to 180 minutes. It's really up to you. But the point is to shift your thinking from past and present to present and future so that you can anticipate future changes and how you should align yourself today. Enjoy.